Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first ever video and I think the last one too. I'll be showcasing my movie theater management information system project that I made for my software engineering class in my 7th semester of college. I'll walk you through the working software and explain the technologies that I've used and let you know how you can access the full documentation and code via my GitHub repository. This project is designed to streamline theater management by allowing clerks and admins to efficiently manage movies, schedules, customer bookings, ticket generation, and even track box office collections. So, the software has been developed using VBNet and for the user interface, and I've used XAMPP with the MySQL database for managing the backend. So, let me just take you through the key features and workflows of the system. So once we go to the landing page, we'll see that we can either log in as an admin or as a clerk. So depending on what your position is, you can do both of that. If you log in as a clerk, admin, you'll obviously have all the administrative rights like adding employees, looking at the box office report, adding or removing movies, adding, removing auditorium, selecting which show goes into which auditorium and all of that. But if you log in as a clerk, let's do one thing. Let's log in as a clerk first and let's see what happens. So I just used it some time ago, so it's already written, but yeah, we'll log in and we'll see that this is the movie dashboard that we come up to. We can view the synopsis and we can just book the show later on. So what happens, we have 4 movies now. So what happens if we log in as admin? If I go here and I enter my password and I log in, I'll see that my landing page as an admin gives me 3 options. I can either add an employee, I can view the box office report, or I can go to the admin dashboard. Let's add an employee first. So I can either add another admin or any other employee position that is found in a normal movie theater. So I want to add an usher. So let's just say his name is Shaq. And his password is a random password, and then we'll add in a random 10-digit phone number. Is that 10? Yeah, that's 10. All right. We have added a new employee. If this employee is already added, then the system will demand me to add a new username. So that's about that. And then we can also view the box office report. So I made this in the month of November. It's December now. So the collections for the month of November were 10,600 rupees, and for the December so far it's only 1,000 rupees. So this report I can also generate the CSV format of it and save it in my system. And that's all for the box office collection report. Oh yeah. And then we have the admin dashboard. So, like we saw, there were 4 movies right there. I wanna strike out Princess Diaries. Let's remove Princess Diaries from the movie dashboard. So I just type in that and the movie records have been removed successfully. Let's add in a new movie. Let's say let's add in the movie October. Shout out to you if you're a Varun Dhawan fan or a Banita Sindhu fan actually. So yeah, we'll add this movie. Just write the synopsis. I do not know the entire. I'm not going to write the entire story now, but if I remember correctly, the name of the characters were Dan and Shuli. Right, this is just a random synopsis. I want to select the date of the movie as a Sunday. I want to enter the time. So we are following military standard time, right? So if I want to add 1 p.m. as the movie time, I'll have to add 13. I want to add in the auditorium number 2. And let's just keep the seats as 15. So yeah, we added in the movie. So we can view the movie dashboard from here also. And yeah, see, So Princess Diaries have been removed and October has been added. So as an admin, I can also book shows, but let's go and do that from the clerk side. So we go back, we go back, we go back again, we log in as a clerk now. And then, all right. So the movie we want to, let's book for October since we are in December now. And all right, movie ID is 19, the date is 8th of December, the time is 1 p.m. I want to select the auditorium now. So I pick out auditorium 2, and then since I had 15 seats there, all 15 seats have been added. If some seats were already taken, then these 2 seats will be shown in red. We'll come back to this later when we've already booked these 2 tickets. So we have booked ticket for October on the 8th of December at 1 p.m. in auditorium 2. The tickets are C3 and C13 and C14. So if I click on book ticket, all this information will be shown as well as the seat number. And then I'll be taken to the booking page. Let's say my name is Dia. My seat number was C13 and C14. And my show was for the 8th of December. Again, a random 10-digit phone number. Is that 10? Yeah, that's 10. So I booked the ticket. My ticket has been booked successfully. My ticket ID is 50. I'll go and print the ticket now. So, all right, that's not me. Yeah, that was my ticket. I'll print the ticket now, and a random print dialog box will open up, and this is my ticket. So that is the entire project in a nutshell. So I'll close this. I'll go back again. Now if I just want you to show, I want to show you what happens when I could have just clicked on show seats, never mind. I have to select the auditorium again. Yeah. All right. So yeah, these 2 seats will be in red now because they've already been booked previously. So if I select another 2 seats, then they'll show up in red, and the rest of the available seats they'll be in green. So that was it for the project. I made this in like 3 weeks worth of time maybe. So it's pretty easy to do. All you need is a prerequisite of VB.NET and MySQL, because these 2 are very important for the front end and back end. You can also use ASP.NET if you want, and my MS MS Access for your back end and front end respectively. And I did not have MS Access, so I didn't use that. But as far as it goes, VB.NET and XAMPP, they worked seamlessly together to ensure that I had a smooth and responsive system. For those of you who are interested in the code and documentation, I've added everything to my GitHub repository. You'll find all the source code for the forms and backend logic. You'll find the SQL scripts to set up the database. You'll also find ER diagrams, use case diagrams, TFDs, object and class diagrams, and all the other documentations all there. So feel free to check it out and explore the code and even contribute if you'd like. Thank you so much for watching so far. If you found this video helpful or have any questions about the project, drop a comment down below and I'll try to answer them. Do not forget to like and share this video with anyone who might be interested in software development projects. The link to the GitHub repository is in the description down below. So that's all. Subscribe and maybe see you in the next video if I ever make one.